And we are going to assume that Virginia will agree to transfer or accept probation from California under an interstate compact. And if that is the case, then I will allow Mr. Brown to do his 180 days of service in the state of Virginia. However, I want Mr. Brown to be treated as any other person who comes before this court, who pleads to this type of charge with his type of record, which is minimal, if none, no prior criminal record, but I still want him to be treated the same.
Mr. Brown, what is your full name?
Christopher Maurice Brown.
And what is your date of birth?
5589.
In case number BA353571, you are charged in the felony complaint of committing the crime of assault by means likely to produce great bodily injury in violation of Penal Code Section 245, Subdivision A, Subdivision 1, which is a felony committed on or about between February 7th and February 8th, 2009. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, ma'am.
Your attorney has advised the court that you wish to enter a plea of guilty to that charge. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it was my request that we be excused at this point.
Yes.
Also, it complies with your new order.
He does. It complies with my new order, so I appreciate it.
I don't want to violate your order within 35
Don't use that
seconds.
within 35 seconds, and that does happen very often. Ms. Fenty, your attorney made a plea for me to keep the restraining order as a level 1, which would allow you to have contact, but would mean that Mr. Brown would not be able to annoy or harass you in any way. My practice is, and I believe it's useful, to have a complete stay away for a period of time. And I did issue a complete stay away. And the stay away provides that Mr. Brown cannot come within more than 50 yards of you. However, I recognize that you attend numerous industry events together, and so when you are at those events, I have reduced the stay away distance to 10 yards. That still does not allow you to have that type of contact, which I think that at least your attorney did not want me to prohibit you from having other contact. Now, if at some point in time, then that would be after sentencing, which is not going to take place until August now, and after Mr. Brown has been enrolled in his domestic violence classes for a certain period of time, if at that time you would want me to lift the protective order back to a level 1, I would consider doing that. And your attorney knows that he can go ahead and make a motion and notify Mr. Garagos and Ms. Murray. But the protective order, although it's only one way, really it's two ways, because if you contact him, which I don't think he would, then he would be in violation of my lawful court order, which I don't think he would. All right, now Ms. Murray is behind you. I know you know she's going to give you a copy of the protective order right now. So let the record reflect that Ms. Fenty has been provided with a copy of the protective order. Thank you so much.
Thank you.